Hello and welcome everyone to your English class once again. This is Neelam Bajaj, your English teacher. Today we are taking writing section for class 11th and we will discuss about notice writing today. What is notice, how it should be written and why it is necessary. First, we will discuss about the definition of the notice. A notice is a formal means of communication. It's not informal means, it's a formal means to give information to somebody in a limited and necessary way. The purpose of notice is to announce or display information to a particular group of people. It is not meant for everybody. It is meant for a particular group of people, like employees of an office, like the students of the school, etc. They are generally displayed on boards in schools or public places. You have seen it many times and you are well aware of what is the notice, and you have been reading this since your junior classes, and now we are taking a kind of repetition and revision of this concept. Notices issued by government appear in newspaper, that also you have seen many times. Now, some important points to discuss about how to write a notice and what are the things necessary should be present in the notice. A well written notice must inform the readers about all the details related to the event. This is the first necessary thing. It must have an answer to 5 W's, like what, when, where, who, and whom. What is going to happen, you have to inform that in the notice. Where that event will take place, and when will it take place, the date and the venue. Next W is who is eligible to attend that particular event. You have to inform a particular group. And last is whom to contact or apply to for further queries. Those who have issued the notice, whom you have to apply for further queries. Now, how to write a notice? First necessary thing about writing a notice is add only relevant information. Add only necessary information. Next is present the notice within a box. This is the most compulsory thing about notice, that you have to present your notice within a box. The language should be official, not informal language you can write in notice. You have to write only necessary things required. Next important thing is a word limit. It has a word limit of 40 to 50 words maximum. Not more than that you can write. Now we are coming to the format of notice. What should be the format of a notice? Format, how you have to write, and you have to follow it necessarily. First thing is box you can see, and next thing on the top in the mid you have to write the name of the institution or organization, like your school's name or any society's name. Then there will be word notice in block letters or capital letters in the mid after leaving one line, and then at your extreme left you have to write date in a British way, like Fab 17 1979 or 2019, etc. You can't write 24/4/20. Title of the notice, next important part. If you are writing a notice about something, you have to give its title necessarily, otherwise that notice is useless. Next, you will start the content including date, time and venue if required. In most of the cases in notices, these three things are required necessarily: what date the event is going to take place, what will be the time of start, and at which place it is taking place. Lastly, at the extreme left again you have to write the name of the person who is issuing the notice and then his designation below it. So you have seen the format of notice, and it's very easy to learn and understand. You have to practice only. Now we are coming to the types of notices. There are many types of notices that can be written, like lost and found, meeting. If you have lost something or if you have found something, you can issue a notice to inform the persons about it. If you are going to organize a meeting, you can inform the group through the notice easily. or event is taking place, that also can be given information through notice easily. Or there are various competitions take place in the school, that information can be given to students easily through the notice form. Or for giving any other kind of information, we can use notice. Now there is an example of how to write a notice. I'll read the question for you first. Every year in the central park of the city, a flower show is held in the month of February. Your school has received a circular from the district collector inviting the students to visit it. Write a notice in about 50 words informing the students about the show and advising them to go and enjoy it. You are Rajat or Riya. Here you have to create any imaginary name. You should not write your real names here. Head boy or head girl, this is the designation, and then name of the school, Sunrise Public School, Surat, the city's name. Now we are coming to the notice, how the notice is written based on this question. So here we can see the heading of the school, Sunrise Public School, Surat, in the beginning at the mid of the page, then the word notice in block letters, then in extreme left you see the way of writing date, February 2, 2020. Then the heading about which you are issuing the notice, flower show in Central Park. Then we are coming to the content. This notice is to inform all the students that like every year, this year too, a flower show is going to be held in the Central Park of our city, and the district collector Mr. Hemant Bansal has informed us. Here Mr. Hemant Bansal is another imaginary name which you can create by yourself. Always in questions you are asked to create the details. These are the details which you have to create, like the date, time, venue and name of the people. Mr. Hemant Bansal has informed us about this. As per the schedule given below, all students and the members of the staff are recommended to go and enjoy the natural beauty on the display there. Now, below that you have to write the venue, days and timings. Days is the date in the mid of the page. Venue is Central Park. Days from Feb 10 to Feb 27. Timings of the show are 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. and the entrance fee is rupees 5 per head. If you want to add this thing. And now at the end, in the extreme left of the notice, touching the margin, you have to write the name of the person issuing the notice. Here another name is that name we created in the question is written here, Riya Mehta, or boy's name also can be written, and then designation, head girl. And you can see the notice is packed in a box outside, which is a compulsory part of the notice. Now here is a worksheet for you. There are 2 questions. You have to try to write the notices on these 2 questions, and you can increase your knowledge about writing a notice. First, I will read the questions for you. First question, an intersection debate on the topic, media is responsible for the increase in antisocial activities in the society, is going to be organized for all the students of class 9th to 12th of your school. As the cultural secretary of your school, draft a notice providing all the relevant details in not more than 50 words. In this notice, what you have to do, you have to create details like name of the cultural secretary, name of your school which is not given here, and the date on which you are going to give the competition for the students of 9 to 12. All these details you have to create here. And the second question is, as president of the Residents Welfare Association, Hauz Khas, New Delhi. This is not about a school, this is about a society association, New Delhi, which is drafting a notice. Draft a notice to be displayed on the society notice board requesting the members to donate generously for the flood hit victims in Chennai. They can donate in kind or cash, means rupees or something else. Give the necessary details in not more than 50 words. In this also you have to create all the necessary details told you above, like the name of the person issuing the notice and how you are going to donate the money, how you will collect the money from the people, all these things. I hope you will be able to do both these questions successfully. and all the best to you for this. Thank you all for listening me.